Hey there, it's Donovan, the N8N Automation Guide. I have an update on N8N. You can see down here at the bottom left, there's a little red dot. It says one update. If I click on it, it says you're on 1991. 1 week ago, I'm one version behind the latest and greatest. So I host my N8N on railway.com. So let's go ahead and update it. So I'll go to railway.com. I'm going to go to the dashboard. Here's my instance, Watts Lab. I'm going to click on that. And then in Railway, you've got this is what it looks like here. And what we want to do when you host on Railway is go down to Primary. And then you'll see up here at the top under Deployments, you go over to these three dots and you choose Redeploy. Are you sure you want to redeploy? And it'll do it with the exact same configuration. You will not lose any of your workflows. So go ahead and click on Redeploy. It kicks in and gets to work, doing what it has to do. Deployment is successful. Let's go back to N8N and refresh. And it says cannot get home workflows. That's because it's just still probably restarting. Let's just refresh again. Usually only takes a couple seconds. There we go. Okay, and if you look down here at the bottom, there's no more little red icon saying you have an update. You're now on the latest version. So Railway is a great place to host your N8N. It's really cheap and it's fast, and that's how you update on railway.com.